In the heart of the jungle, a storm raged, and a tiny life trembled in the wind. With one gust, Chirp fell from the sky, his wing broken, his cry unheard. Morning came. The forest stirred, but Chirp lay still, hidden among the leaves. A soft paw stepped close. Luna the leopard watched with quiet care. Eyes met, no words, just warmth. Promise was made in silence. Milo the monkey swung in, full of energy and a heart ready to help. Together, they worked. A nest of leaves, a drop of water, a shelter from fear. Then came Zuri, gentle giant, who offered flowers, shade, and strength. High above, Kiki and parrot searched the skies for safety and hope. But danger returned. Clouds gathered. Rain fell again and hearts raced. Together they shielded him. Not a word, just courage and care. Then, a miracle. A tiny hop. A spark of strength returned. Chirp climbed. Higher. Stronger. Encouraged by every glance and cheer. One breath, one beat, wings stretched wide. The sky called his name. And at last, he flew into the golden light, where friends below watched with pride.